Hello and welcome to Conjuring Rock. My name is Ben. Today I'm going to show you my favorite knot, the Uni Knot. This knot, in my opinion, is the best for beginners because it's simple, but it's versatile. Let me show you what I mean. For this demonstration, I'm going to use paracord and a carabiner just because it's easier for you to see. I'll also go through the knot twice. I'm just going to do it quickly so you can see it start to finish, and then I will go through it step by step. So go through the eyelet, pinch my line, make a loop, and then I'm going to go around the doubled up lines 3 times, 4 for braid, pull it, cinch it down, or moisten it and then cinch it tight. Okay, now step by step. First, we're going to go through the eyelet, then we are going to pinch the line, give ourselves enough of a tail end to work with and a decent amount of space here. So through the eyelet, pinch the line, make a loop, and then you're going to take the tag end and wrap around the doubled up line inside the loop 3 times for monofilament and braid, 4 times for fluoro. You're going to moisten it, cinch it down by pulling the tag end, and then you're going to pull your main line, moisten it again, always moisten, and then you're going to pull down on your tag line, and voila. It's that simple. Okay, why is this knot versatile? Well, with this knot, you can tie on your barrel swivel to your leader line, and you won't have complications like you might with a Palomar knot or something else. Another way this knot can be used is as a leader knot. So you have whichever one, doesn't matter which one is your leader, which one is your main line, but you're going to line them up like this, and you're going to create your loop. Is this looking a little familiar? And then you're going to wrap around your 2 lines, 1, 2, 3, or 4 times, and cinch this down. Don't cinch it down all the way, but get it sort of tight after you moisten. And then you're going to do the same with this one. So you're going to create your loop on the other side of this knot, of course, and then you're going to go through 1, 2, 3 times, and pull that down, moisten it, cinch it up a bit, and then you're going to pull them together like this, and pull them like that. And the more you pull, the tighter it gets. Although this is not the best leader knot, it can be used as a leader knot for some fishing line. As long as the difference in the diameter of line isn't too great, then you won't have an issue. For example, this might not work if you're using braid to like 50-pound fluoro, but if you're going from braid to like 10 or 15-pound fluoro, you might be okay. Another trick with this knot is you can actually get extra grip on the eyelet. So if you want your bait to hang a certain way in the water, that's not a problem. Go through twice and then go through your Uni Knot process. Pinch your lines, make your loop, wrap around the doubled up lines. And cinch. Moisten extra because you've got extra friction going through there. So you can even double it up so that you have extra grip on your eyelet, so then you can have your bait hanging like this if you want, or whatever presentation you want. You can also use this knot when tying on a drop shot. If you're interested in seeing that, check out the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.